What do I think about this sensor product? Camera product. It's a great idea. I don't know if anyone else is doing it just this simple, and then you can control, lights wherever you want. In my mind, the sensor and the camera are always going to need to be in the same locations, like getting lights going and that sort of thing, and that's where you want your camera to be. So it seemed like a pretty smart product. It's super easy. It's just like wiring in just a normal sensor. So a couple of cables here, and then you've got power there. Super simple. 2 screws to hold it in, and yeah, that was very easy. Nice big terminals, which is one of our biggest gripes usually, and it's easy to get it going. The app seems easy to use, so I'd definitely recommend it to clients.